Welcome to CSS Day 4. Let's learn margin, padding, and CSS Box Model. At the end of this video, we know how to use padding, border, and margin so that if you combine all of them, you can achieve a good thing like this card of CSS Box Model or this beautiful profile. So let's just start learning. We are going to use this output of this, and we are going to start use styling this background. As you can see, we have given out the color, which is a little bit looks like gray, but it to save our eyes. So let's just start targeting this card. This card, we are going to start with padding. As you can see here, we start with padding. Then we see how all works to understand it more and more. So let's go on. Padding actually creates space inside the element. Let's see how it adds some spaces. Let's just start by giving this card background of white, and we say padding top, give it a 20. You can see it add some space at the top. Padding right of I guess give it 10. It's okay. You can see here it is right, but it added some spaces. Then we go bottom, which is padding. Bottom is 20. You can see down here, and left, which is this one, you can see I added 10. So what it does so far to add the spaces around, just adding inner spacing means in this box, which is here, div box, div, just take it as a box. Then this is the class we given so that we can be able to design the way we want it to be or according to our wishes. Then to add the inner spaces or inside spaces, this is how we use it, this padding. We also have the shortcut where we can just say that padding, sorry, this is not just by mistake, padding of 20 and 10. Yep. Then what we have just done, it is to add this 20, this first value to represent bottom or top and bottom. This one represent left and right, because it starts from top, then it goes to right, bottom, and left. That's it. Yes, let's go ahead with margin. We continue with margin so far. That's it, we have just covered. Then you go to margin. Margin creates space outside. Let's see how we're going to use margin, and we give it, let's just give it 30 pixels. It's like this. You have seen that how it has created this space here, left and right, and then the top and bottom. Actually, this value it creates all spaces, again inner space, but out of the box. That's how it works. So it pushes element away from others. That's how it does. So we can also do this. Say margin or centering the margin auto. This is a very important technique most of professional web developers use. Just use auto, but we can, let's also add some width. Just add width of the 300, then pixels. Then if we add this, maybe I put this and organize them so they look good. Once you add margin auto, it adjusting the div or your content, your element in the middle very well, so that this can be centered very well. That's it, and it is very wow. Again, it centers the box horizontally. You can see it here. Let's just again move to border. Just want to add this border also, so that so that you can see how it wraps up around padding and content. Let's use 2 pixels, solid, and I just give it a gray color. This is also nice. It is good. You can see it here, and after this, I also want to use to use boxing sizing, so that we can see how it changes things. What are you gonna do? It always come, use most up here. It start. You just start at whole content. Yeah, use a star. Then by default has just come. You can see it here, and it is very wow. You can see it here. Then you want also to center this, just like this, to be able to see this, and but it is also great. You can see normally it is nice, by the way, because it is good. Yeah, that's it. So far you can see how you can design this using this padding, margin, board, and the boxing size, and it makes it very great. So we can just continue this. So maybe let's give it this card, which is this CSS Box Model. Just want to continue designing it like this, and want to give it both, to give the change this color, and to be a little bit maybe blue. Let me just give it blue. Let me see if it's looking like this. Oh wow, it is a little bit the same. By the way. Only this one is just okay. Up, another one top. Then we can let's see what else we can say. We can come to margin here. Sorry, we can just come on margin. Just give it 50 pixels. Yep, so that we can just to push it a little bit. Remember, we said that this value, it adds a top and bottom. So in this, it is on left and right. That's how this it is. Just looks like this. Only the content, yeah, it's the same. Only this one is somehow small, but we can also add size in. But this is also okay as long as this card is nice. We also have this one. Let's just jump to this. We do this. This is on this profile. Yep. Yes. We go on this one. So where you can see we are going to target this this profile, this one here, and just going to target this. It is this one, this card, but first of all, let's first target this. By the way, we just use boxing because we're designing this. We just do box sizing, this one, which is okay. Then I just want to take this body because it's also okay, by the way, since it's just knowing how to do this, and no problem. Then we are going to give it width of 300. Background is gonna be just this white, but still, but I just want to use name, which is also okay, right? Because it's better using different things so that you can record everything we have learned. Just make it 30 pixels. Remember, we are we are adding the space inside, giving it a color, and the margin means we are creating the space here and there, just outside of this card. I just want to give it a 60. It is okay. And then after this, I want to draw this sharpen of this card corner, which is going to use border radius. Of let's use like a 15th is also okay. Yes, this one. Then what else? You're going to just center this, and center. Let's see how it looks good. Now it's coming, and what else? Can add this. Let me see if we add this is gonna be no. Just add maybe 50 here. Be also cool. As we target this H1, which is this one, just want to give it some color of 34 or 35. So if just forward this pound sign, 3498 dB is also okay, and yeah, that is it for H1. Then again, one target paragraph, just give it a color of just gray. That's it. And this is also, oh sorry, nice one. That's it. So you can see this one looks the same. This you can see be the same. Actually, it is almost 100%. And this one also be the same. Oh, this one is small. characters all, but they're all the same. That's it, guys, how we can do it. And so far what we have done, let's just recap. We have seen how we design using margin, padding, CSS Box Model, and and the borders, margins. Actually, we have covered this CSS Box Model, padding, margin, borders, centering with auto, boxing size, just professional spacing, using boxes sizing with border box. So thank you very much. This is our results, which is good. Then for the last one, you can just to create this down one, just to exercise this by creating 3 cards. You use a different background color, padding, margin, make corner rounded, and center text. So thank you very much. Please, you can subscribe for more and for more future tutorials.